pretty sure I literally just made the worst sound ever in Astroneer. If you want to recreate it, you need to do this setup right here. A button repeater that is activating a button repeater, right? Which is then going to a segment to then go to the first one. But then the segment attaches to a small squeaker horn. It makes a neat little sound. But when you do this, oh, it's awful. That is awful. Oh my god. No, stop. The only way to stop it is to... wait, what? Okay, that's funny. But anyway, yeah, there you go. How to annoy your friends with the most annoying sound in the entire world of Astroneer.